Hello friends, today we are to see about the Laplace transform. Then what is the Laplace transform and their formulas, how to we have to remember it. Okay, then आज हम कुछ Laplace transform की definition देखेंगे, उसके example and how to apply it. Okay, Laplace transform कहाँ यूज़ होता है, तो इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स में लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म का यूज़ किया जाता है। और लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म मीन्स वी गिव समथिंग एंड रिटर्न इट अगेन देन एंड यूज़ इट, दिस इज़ अ मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्म। मतलब क्या है, हम बैंक में जाते हैं, वहाँ से हम एटीएम जाते हैं, वहाँ से हम मनी विड्रॉल करते हैं। फिर बाद में जो एटीएम के जैसे ही मशीन होती है, जो हम पैसे अमाउंट डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं, सेम हम पैसे निकाले, अमाउंट निकाले, फिर रुपीज़ निकाले, फिर उसमें वो मशीन होती है, उसमें फिर हम डाल सकते हैं। दिस इज़ अ ट्रांसफॉर्म, दिस इज़ अ application of Laplace transform. Then here the definition of Laplace transform is, let f of t be a function of t defined for a 0 less than equal to t less than infinity. Then Laplace transform of the f of t denoted by L of f of t or f of s is defined by or denoted by, then it is definition is Laplace of f of t is equal to f of s is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. Here 0 is less than or equal to t, because जब 0 और लेस देन t होगा तभी इंटीग्रेशन हम निकाल सकते हैं और डिफाइन हो सकता है, अदरवाइज नहीं. सो वी हैव टू टेक हियर वन एग्जांपल. ओके, see here, Laplace of, what is the definition is, Laplace of f of t is equals to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. here हम यहाँ f of t की जगह 1 रखेंगे, तो ये इंटीग्रेशन 0 to infinity f of st, here 1 into 1 dt, then integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st dt. here integration is e raised to minus st upon minus s, defined 0 to infinity. then values put up करेंगे, infinity minus e raised to minus 0 upon minus s. here e raised to infinity is 0, then 1 upon minus s is equals to 1 upon s. Then what is the Laplace of 1 is equals to 1 upon s. Here similarly we have to see some formulas. Okay, then here first is Laplace of 1 is equal to 1 upon s. Then similarly Laplace of inverse, similarly I told you Laplace and their inverse also. Similarly Laplace of 1 upon s is equals to 1. And second, now next is Laplace of t raised to n is integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st t raised to n dt. हम ये सॉल्व करके भी निकाल सकते हैं. फिर देन वी डायरेक्टली यूज द फॉर्मूला, बिकॉज देर इज अ नो मीनिंग रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग. वी हैव टू जस्ट रिमेंबर इट in formula. Okay, then Laplace of t raised to n is equals to gamma of n plus 1 upon s raised to n plus 1. Similarly their inverse is Laplace inverse of 1 upon s raised to n plus 1 is equals to t raised to n upon gamma of n plus 1. Okay, next is Laplace of e raised to at. Okay, their formula is 1 upon s minus a. Then their inverse is Laplace inverse of 1 upon s minus a is equals to e raised to at. Then take one example. We have to say Laplace of e raised to 4t. Then what is the formula? Laplace of 1 upon s minus a, then s minus 4. Similarly, their inverse 1 upon s minus 4 is equals to e raised to 4at. We also know that how to apply the formula in examples. So, I had told you. Okay. Next is Laplace of sin at. Here a upon s square plus a square. Their inverse is Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square plus a square is equals to sin at upon a. Then for fifth is example Laplace of cos at is s upon s square plus a square, and their inverse is Laplace of s upon s square is equals to cos at. Here how to remember the sin and cos formula? हम कैसे याद रखेंगे sin और cos का formula? cos a तो s ऊपर, sin a तो a ऊपर, cos लास्ट में s आता है तो s ऊपर cos में और sin में a ऊपर. Okay, then this is the formula of sin at and cos at. Then what is the formula for hyperbolic equation? Sin hyperbolic at. What is the just here addition है तो हम subtraction लिखेंगे अपॉन s square minus a square. This is the only difference. hyperbolic होगा तो minus sign and hyperbolic नहीं होगा तो plus sign. Inverse is 1 upon s square minus a square is sin hyperbolic at upon a. And similarly for cos hyperbolic, similar only the change is the sign is s upon s square minus a square. Then Laplace inverse of s upon s square minus is cos hyperbolic at. Okay. Then take one example for it. Here we have to say sin Laplace of sin 4t. Then for formula is a upon s square minus a square plus a square. For a is 4 upon s square plus 16. Then their inverse is Laplace inverse of 4 upon s square plus 16 is sin 4t. Okay. Just then Laplace of cos 4t is s upon s square plus 16, and Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus 16 is cos 4t. Similarly for the hyperbolic signs. Okay. Then we have to study the Laplace transform, their definition. What is the definition? Integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. This is the formula. Then what are the formulas of the Laplace transform are we have to see in this video. Then how to apply for the examples. Okay. Thank you for watching.